Almost 6, you said, right?
Yeah, about six, depending on the day.
600 horsepower in a piece of iron that was made in 1966. It's pretty crazy. It takes a lot of guts to drive some of these cars. You guys are sitting there in your moderns, you're racing around, the ultimate speeds and all this stuff. These guys are working it. They are working the car. They're working a classic. This is something people talk about is fading away. I don't think it's ever going to fade away.
Yeah,
I don't think it's ever going to fade away. We are always going to be making these machines. 100 years from today, take 3.
I'll be dead, so who cares?
We'll both be dead.
Yeah, we'll be dead.
We'll both be dead. But this car will still be at Atco racing, and some guy is going to be saying, it ain't running right. That's cool. I'm sorry we missed you racing, or at least trying out.
Yeah.
You don't want to start it, do you?
I'll start it.
You'll start it? Oh! Getting a race car driver to start a car after he's done for the day is an honor. Thank you, sir.
I love the way the fenders shake in the front when the motor starts. I love it.
The
Watch
fenders.
the fenders just freaking, it looks angry.
Oh, you just earned your own video, my friend. You're going all by yourself. No other clips. It's just this car on a MustangMedic video. That was awesome. Did you hear that? You guys couldn't feel it. Hopefully you could feel it through the microphone of a little old iPhone. But that is awesome. You know I want to drive it. He'd probably scare the hell out of me. Every joyride I go on, I'm like praying to God to live. There it is. Got gauges even on the glove box. Nice. Very nice. Very nice, gentlemen.